Full face makeup tutorial for beginners. First, using a face primer. This face primer is from Classic Makeup. Next is foundation. Foundation is from V Beauty Cosmetics. Blend that in. Next is concealer to highlight. Concealer is from Adventure Makeup. It's a Blend Pro concealer. Lighter shade of the concealer to brighten up the under eye. Next is bronzer to bronze the cheek. Bronzer is from Farah Makeup. Next is cream blush. Cream blush is from Farah Makeup. Next is pressed powder to set the highlight. Pressed powder is from V Beauty Cosmetics. Next is another pressed powder from V Beauty Cosmetics to set the contour. Next is blush. Powder blush to set the cream blush. This powder blush is from TM Essentials. Next is translucent setting powder. Powder is from Zickel Cosmetics. Dust off that one, then leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallouts. Then brows. Clean up the brows with concealer. Next is eyes. This eyeshadow palette is from Zickel Cosmetics. First, I'm using a brown shade, a reddish brown shade for the crease. Then this pink shade for the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Blend the edges. Line my waterline with a gold pen, gold eyeliner pen. Then use that pink shade I use on my eyelid for my under eye. Line my eyes with a black eyeliner pen. Mascara. Dust off the powder and all the eyeshadow fallouts. Blend it. False lash. Setting spray to set the makeup. Highlighter. Highlighter is from Younger Beauty. Is their Candid Glow highlighter. Then I had a lip gloss, a clear lip gloss for my eyelid to make it more glossy. Lips. Lining my lips with a brown lip liner. And I'm using this lip lock from Adventure Makeup. Then I line my lips again with this lip gloss from Zeka Cosmetics. This is the finished look. This is the first lips. I'm going to change the lips. Next lips is from Classic Makeup. Is the liquid matte lip stain. I'm using two shade, and this is the finished look. Which lip do you prefer? The first one or the second one? Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.